Hello and welcome to the credit repair and enhancement part of Debt Eliminator Plus, also step 1 for level 2 students. And this section of Debt Eliminator Plus is for those who have less than a 680 credit score on any of your 3 credit bureaus, as well as for anybody who wants to understand and learn about how the FICO scoring model works with the 3 credit bureaus and how your credit works. All right. So step 1, level 2 students. So again, level 2 students are anybody below a 680 score. This section is designed to get your credit score above 680 and repaired and enhanced. So anyone with a less than 680 credit score on 1 or more credit reports, this is where you want to start. And we want to begin by getting your credit reports, which was also one of the steps in the advanced class, the advanced trading, step 3, tells you to get your credit reports. Because in Debt Eliminator Plus, I need to align you up with the companies that will approve you for 0% credit cards and lines of credit to execute the system. So it's very important that we get your credit reports to know where your starting point is so that you know. So you can get your credit reports by going to the advanced course, advanced training up here, and going through the first 3 steps and get to step 3. I'm also adding the links right below this video in the credit class that I'm making right now. So right below the video that we're at now, you will find your credit report. So if you just look down directly below us, you'll see those same 3 links for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and they're free links, so you can get your reports and scores for free there. All right, so in this section, we're going to have specific steps to complete your credit repair and enhancement, and those steps will appear below this as well. And also, the credit class is below us, right below us, and I'll show you that real quick. So if you go right below this video, you're going to see all the steps for the credit class, or all the videos, and there's 11 videos, which is a complete breakdown of exactly how the FICO scoring works. And of course, you're going to have the steps to repair and enhance your credit right above this once I complete them. Okay, and they'll be uploaded right here on the website. They should be there by the time you're watching this video. All right, so back to what we were. All right, so the most important thing to remember when looking at improving or enhancing your credit score, the 3 biggest categories that do that. The first biggest category, or biggest weight in your credit score, is whether or not you paid your bills on time or at all. So that's 35% of your credit score. And we're going to be dealing with repairing your credit on the next video. So the next video, we're going to start the process of credit repair to deal with past. But before we do that, we're going to start with reestablishing your credit right here in this video here, because 30% of your credit score is your revolving credit balances, the amount that you owe on an account versus the limit. So like a credit card will have the biggest impact on your score, pushing it upward, especially one with a 0 balance. So I'm going to give you the first steps in reestablishing your credit, 2 accounts, okay? I'm going to give you the links to 2 accounts that will show as an open account that just about everybody will be approved for. So you're going to see again directly below this video and next to where you get your credit scores. Also, you're going to see down here below, just look below, you're going to have links for new account number 1 and new account number 2. New account number 1 is through Fingerhut, which is now carried by a bank, so it'll show up on your report as a bank, and as a credit card. It'll show up as a credit card, and the approval rate's virtually 100%. We're not going to use it for anything really. You may want to make one purchase, something you're already going to buy anyways, and virtually everybody's approved, and it'll show up on your account. You'll get like anywhere from $300 up to $1,000 line of credit, and you'll keep a 0 balance on it, and that will improve your score and help you reestablish. Account number 2 is pretty close to the same approval rate, pretty close to 100%, but not quite. and you'll go ahead and apply for that account as well. And you'll now have 2 accounts on your credit report to reestablish. And then in the next video, we're going to work on repairing your credit, and then I'm going to add some more videos on steps to add even more accounts. Also, make sure you do not open accounts jointly with your spouse. You want to do them separately, and if you're a spouse that doesn't work, you can still apply, but you'll just list your husband or your wife's income under other income on the application. And that's the end of step number 1 for enhancing and repairing your credit. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.